I'm Jackie.
I'm Richard.
And we're Early Retirement Wanderlust. We're on the beautiful Isle of Lewis. So this is not our normal filming in the van.
It's a little bit odd. We're sat in the van on a Saturday night. It's dark outside, but we have to do this.
Yeah, we checked all of the videos that we've been filming over the last few days, starting to do some editing, and we realised that some of it was just so windy on the beach. But the good thing is...
Yeah, we weren't wasting our time thinking about sound edits or anything like that. We were having such a good time. Filming loads of stuff, finding loads of places.
Yep.
And now we've got loads of footage and we can't do anything with it, or it wouldn't make any sense to you if we just put it out as it was.
Yeah, we've got 3 days worth of editing to do, but no talking bits to tell you what we've been doing. So this is it.
So we thought, come and join us in our van. We're having a Harris gin.
Oh, yes.
Which
we went and purchased a very nice bottle. It's my favourite gin, and we have bought a few presents for other people as well.
So yeah, Harris gin. Who would have thought that sea kelp would have been such a nice addition to gin? But yeah, it's worth checking out.
Stop on Lewis was a place called Bosta.
It's up on the west coast of Lewis, not Harris, Lewis, and it's about a 7-mile peninsula, so you've got a fair old drive to get in there. We went past the most remote garage I've ever seen in my life. It was one petrol pump in the middle of nowhere.
Can I just point out that petrol pump in the middle of nowhere was still cheaper than the petrol pump in Sandbach where we used to live?
Which is pretty disgraceful. So yeah, it was super exciting to get up that peninsula.
But we did arrive when it was absolutely pitch black.
So then we had one hell of a night that night where a storm hit. We went down onto the beach earlier on, and we were walking in the moonlight, and it was so peaceful down there because we were in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, it was really calm.
And then at 1 o'clock in the morning, all hell broke loose.
I didn't sleep. I sat and read for 3 hours because the van was just swaying that much.
It was really scary. You really felt the power of nature. We were in the middle of nowhere. The van was rocking and the storm was hitting. But then we woke up in the morning and it was beautiful out. like a big lump of grass, but to us, we know it's an Iron Age house that's locked. And we were saying on the way up, it was absolutely mental. Who on earth would choose to live there in the Iron Age? And how did they get there?
You'll see from some of the videos driving up there, it's really remote. Next up, we decided that we would go further into the peninsula. We wanted to go to a place called Reef that's got really wide expanses of white beaches, really beautiful part of the world.
We made it to Reef Beach, which was just a short drive from where we were staying last night.
Yep, I've been collecting, I'm not actually sure what they are, I'll have to look it up in a bit, but some cute little shells.
I reckon bits of sea anemone, something like that. But it is just stunningly white, it's amazingly sunny at the moment, and we're just riding our luck to see how long this lasts. And when we were on Bosta, there were only 2 locals there in the morning. They were both in neoprene, going into the sea at 10 degrees or less, absolutely mentalists. But one of them was a postman. We explained that we were going to go round to Reef, and he said, oh, you've got to find the secret beach, and gave us directions for it. We thought it was the biggest blag ever.
So we did go for a walk, and it just opened up to just a spectacular place.
So when you're travelling, listen to the locals, trust them, and they give you some top tips of places that you'd never actually find. So it's probably the worst camera work ever because I can't see a thing because the sun is so bright, but our postman friend wasn't too far wrong with his secret beach. Absolutely spot on. Don't tell anyone.